Welcome back to another Mad Space YouTube video, and in today's video we are starting a new series about me going to different space attractions. And in today's video we are going to Farnborough Air Science Museum, and it's mainly about aviation, but there are still some links to space, so let's go have a look, shall we? So, we just found out that there's a whole section to space, so we're about to go there now. Let's go. Look what we've just found. We've just found the black arrow. Well, part of it. Most of it was smashed up from when it came back in from the Earth's atmosphere, and this is remains. Crazy, isn't it? So yeah. As you can see, we have some broken thrusters, quite small of at what you'd see today. We just learnt that this was the only British rocket built, and there's only 5 of them, but this is the 4th one ever built, and this was built in the Isle of Wight. They wanted to launch it in Scotland, but they were worried where it would land, so then they shipped it to Australia and launched it there. How it works is that they would put hydrogen peroxide in this section and kerosene in this section, and when they both chemically react, it would propel the spaceship to go up and into space, and when it starts slowing down, they will release the satellite and the rocket will fall down back to Earth. And also, for a fun fact, it makes no smoke or flames. This is the Wright brothers plane, which is well known for being the first plane to fly in general. And this is Cody's plane, which he invented 5 years after in Farnborough. I mentioned Cody, an American cowboy, because he was the first person in Britain to make a powered flight in 1908. And here is a replica. After that, he made several different planes, and unfortunately, he died in an accident in 1913 due to his plane broke apart and him and his passenger fell out. While this isn't a space act, Cody's era has made way for future research about aviation and eventually space travel. Let's see what else we can find. John Glenn, who is the first American to orbit the Earth, a spacesuit is developed and tested here right in this Hawker Hunter in Farnborough. So we've just found the centrifuge which tests humans on like space training and aviation training. And we've just learned a few facts. So we've just learned that it is meant to research the effects of G-force on the human bodies, and it is also used for medical assessments of aircrew and astronauts. Turn it on. How do you turn it on? Button. What button? Ah. And this is how it's worked. Cool. We just found this section about Britain in space, so we'll just have a quick look. We've just learned a little bit about out satellite, so we're going to tell you about it. This is a model of a smaller satellite, typically used for communication and sensing. We have a blue solar cells over here, and these are used to generate electrical power to provide a satellite with energy. We have the red over here, what stores the electricity from the solar cells. So we have a green over here, which is our high gain antenna, and which is the principle of transmitting data to and from the satellite. And over here we have a silver, which is our omnidirectional antennas, and these receive and transmit data to and from any direction. Well, we have our purple, which is our sensors and digital camera. These are used for Earth or space observation and data gathering. We have now finished looking in the museum, so I'm going to say my thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye! And we have our red, which is over here shown on this diagram, which stores the battery, and we have green.
It is the battery that stores the energy. It doesn't store the battery, it is the battery.
And this is the fourth one, and I forgot what to say.